we have this. They are all on this side of, you can see, okay, and here is the star of the show. The Kangen water is on this side, which is alkaline. The same thing was put into all of them. Now we want to quickly see a thing that will shock us. I'm going to put more Kangen water into that, and then we will see how that if we are drinking the Kangen water into our bodies and we take this, well, we can actually alkalize. By the time we drink the Kangen water, you can see it's alkalizing them. It's alkalizing them, changing them. You can see they are turning to blue. You can see these bottled waters. You see? But taking some of these sodas, you see what will happen now? Can you see that? It's not changing. Can you see that? It's not changing. Can you see that? Can you see that? Can you see that? It's not changing at all. Can you see that? I keep pouring and pouring and pouring. Now, it's not changing at all. Now, let me take more Kangen water. Now, okay, this is the Kangen water now. Let me just take a little out of that. Okay. Now, this is the Kangen water and the other waters. This has been diluted so much with Kangen water, yet it's not changing to blue. But now, let's try to see some of the ones that the Kangen water has changed and see what will happen. So when you are taking some of these two sodas, it's so dangerous, you can see. You see now? It's changing all the waters back to yellow, that's to acidity. You can see it. You can see it. Even the Kangen water itself, see, this is more of the Kangen water. Let me put more there. Now, pouring this, it has destroyed all the alkalinity inside the water. You can see what we are saying. So this has shown to us that we don't need to be consuming these acidic waters because they are too dangerous for our body. The waters we take, the food we take, even the air we inhale, many of them turn acidic in our bodies. We need the Kangen water to alkalize our body and change our body from the acidic level into the alkaline level and give us perfect health. Thank you for your time.